Hello there, welcome to Think Cyber India. In this video, we are going to talk about the digital sizes and its types. So before moving further, we must know what a digital size is. You can simply consider the size of the data. The space required by the data is known as its digital size. So digital size will be having different types. If I talk about the very basic one, which is the very smallest unit of the digital information, can be considered as a bit, which can have a value of either 0 or 1. It means the bit we are talking about is able to store either 0 or 1. Once we move further, we'll see the next term talks about byte. Now, what is a byte? A byte is again digital information but contains 8 bits. This means we come to know when there will be 8 bits, it can be considered as a byte. Let's move to the next thing, which talks about a kilobyte. Now, what is kilobyte? Kilobyte is nothing but storing 1024 bytes. So if we move further from the very beginning, we see a bit will be storing 0 or 1. Then moving further, when we'll see there will be 8 bits, it is considered as a byte. Then we'll see when we talk about 1024 byte, it can be considered as a kilobyte. As you guys have might seen in your devices, whenever you store any kind of file, whenever you save any file, you will see each and every directory, each and every file do requires a space. It has a size, right? So many of you have seen that this will be kind of KB, it can be MB, it can be byte, right? So these things has been there what we are talking about. Now let's jump to the next thing, which is a megabyte. Now what is megabyte? This will be considered again as a digital information, but we'll see it stores 1024 kilobytes. As you guys have seen, when this numbers jumps move further, let's say the size can be 1024 KB of any file, we'll see 1 MB is written over there, right? Then we'll see the next digital size, which is gigabyte. Now we are quite damn aware about this gigabyte because we'll see in our device storage and any of the things, we'll see a kind of space is being there considered as GB. Now this is what a gigabyte is. If I talk about how much megabyte it stores, so the answer is simple, it's 1024 megabytes. Then moving further, we'll see when I talk about a terabyte, it says 1024 GB. Now the things are simple, it's been starting from a bit and moving further to the biggest unit. But after that, we cannot say till terabyte we have stopped. No, after that there are more things moving further. But as of now, we'll see people are generally using till the terabyte. So this is the thing which talks about the digital sizes, starting from the very basic units and moving further to extend the size to jump into bigger sizes. Let's see and have a look how it looks like. Now here you guys will see I have some files, I have some things on my desktop. Now it can be a directory, it can be a Word file, anything has been there into it. Let's say if I check out a size of a directory, clicking on properties. Now here I come to know the size is 0 bytes. Simply means it has a size in bits, right? Then moving further, if I talk about the next file, let's see its size. Now here I come to know it's have a size, means its digital size is 21 bytes. Now similarly move further to any PDF which do have more size, we'll see 2.8 MB, right? So moving further more into it, we'll see more sizes, and this is all about the digital size. I hope you guys like this video, and you guys understood about the digital sizes. So if you like this video, you guys can give it a big thumbs up, or for more videos like this, you guys can subscribe our channel. So that is it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.